Hello, it's Jack here from the BLOWNFUSES Team 7045. During this video, we will take a look at some of the things we've done so far on our time on YouTube, and I'll talk about some of the stuff we plan to do in the new year, 2020. As for the YouTube side of things, I plan to keep doing some of these videos weekly, and we'll try and keep the quality getting better and better every week as our team gets more practice. One thing that we know about so far is that we're still planning on getting an expansion hub that will replace one of the current ones. This new one would be able to connect directly to the phone that connects the controllers, eliminating the on-robot phone and the connection errors that come along with it. We plan on doing more and more outreach through the coming months. And wait, what's that? Well, I guess you have to come back Tuesday, January 7th to find out about our adventures to Digital Image Studios. Finally, on behalf of the BLOWNFUSES, Happy New Year!